Hi y'all, this is Tanya Meadows with Apple Tree Homeschool Academy and Apple Tree Home Daycare. And today I've been working on a problem area in our daycare. You come straight into the daycare as soon as you come in our main door from the parking lot. When you come around, there's a couple of stairs going up and leading into our kitchen. And this little area right here on the other side of the fence has always been an area where we dropped off everything. Bags and boxes and shoes and just anything and everything. And most of the time it sits there for a while for us before we get it put away somewhere. Or we just don't know where to put it, so we just leave it. So I redid this area today. Now behind my seat in the dining area were these two storage bins or units, and they have Play-Doh supplies in this drawer and recycled baby food jars in these two drawers. And then this is all of my Century bin materials. Now this is the dining room area that I have stacked up to the hilt here. And this is where we spend most of our time doing table activities and eating. So this is my bee themed tray. I took out our, what was that, honeycomb cereal that we were threading on the little Chanel stems, and I laid the stuff out on the tray so they can continue to play with that. But this is the storage area for most of the arts and crafts behind my chair, and I had those two Century bins were here, and this actually was in the daycare room. I pulled that out of the daycare room, and I still have to work with that and empty that out. But the two Century bins were here with the Play-Doh, which was good for the table, but it just really left me little space with the two high chairs here. So earlier today, I thought I was going to put the Century bins here, but I came up with the bright idea of taking this little foldable table that we had put in the living room for Play-Doh and bringing it here instead. And I did a little video showing what I originally planned, and as soon as I uploaded it, I thought of something different. And I moved this table here for Play-Doh. So I'm hoping this will work, and then we have canned goods for a pantry right here, and I can still open our doors. And then right here, this is what the cart looks like for the toys that needs to be washed. So on top, that needs to be washed. And these are what the two bins look like for once they're washed and they need to dry. Get a third little basket to go on that shelf there. So as you come up these stairs here, this is what it leads into. Like I said, this was a dumping ground, and I'm really hoping this table will work great here for not only Play-Doh, but some other activities I want the two olders to work on that I want to separate them from the younger children that's in the daycare room. And then here's my little cart area, and this can spin. So I can just put it here at the sink when I'm ready and then roll this right out of the way. But if you pan around here to the right, then the little Century bin and Play-Doh drawers will fit perfectly right here beside the refrigerator. And then I thought of this today. I thought about the Smocks. I had been keeping them in one of the drawers right there with the underneath the Play-Doh and one of those empty drawers there. And I thought of this today. These magnetic clips, they're really good and sturdy. There's two Smocks. Let me pull that back a little bit. So I have two Smocks per hook, and then they're magnetic. They hang right on the side of the refrigerator. And then I have the Melissa and Doug set of alphabet and a few numbers here for the magnetic side of the refrigerator. And on this side of the refrigerator, I have some shapes and colors going on right now. But if you continue to pan around, this is a makeshift Cubby Area. This is our door to our basement. And here is a shoe. It's a canvas shoe organizer that we are keeping water bottles in. And then my son came down, my older son came down and helped me build this storage unit. And this is our cubby system. These are plastic bins that you can get usually the beginning of the school year. And then I've got them all, if you can see here, there's several zip ties. All of the unit is zip tied together very strongly. There's probably about 9 in each bin. And then these are things you can get at Walmart in the kitchen section. And then this child is potty training, and he's a 3. So my infants have their own bins on the changing table. And then up on this top ledge, this is the tablecloth for the outside patio table, and then some chalk that won't be able to get wet. I've got, if I keep it outside, and I've got this Life Vac home kit sitting here, which is real good and handy between the kitchen and the daycare room. And then these are the chargers that we need for the stuff for outside, because I use the blower to blow leaves and stuff off of the leaf blower off of the back deck. So I keep that here real good and handy. Yeah, so this has gone from just a catch-all and everything just thrown and everything in our way right here to hopefully this is going to be a more usable space. And I'm really hoping that going vertical with this little system here will really help when it's time to wash and air dry our toys, because who's got time to sit there and dry every single one after you've hand washed them all? No, we don't have a dishwasher, so we hand wash everything, and so that's why this was necessary. But I love this, and this could be used for all sorts of toys in a really cost efficient way of organizing your supplies and your toys. So yeah, let's cross our fingers that this helps and this works. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks.